Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to discuss a very important topic of writing skill, and that is article writing. What is an article? Articles are expression of one's thought on an issue or subject. It should be written in meaningful paragraphs. Now let's know the format of article. First of all, you are to write the heading, which should be catchy. Then in the second line you are to write the writer name, and then further you can start writing the articles, which you can divide it into 3 paragraphs. In the first line you are to write heading, title, and then writer name below that. What are the ingredients of writing an article? First of all, heading, then writer name, then you can give the introduction in first para, then detailed explanation you are to write in second para, and then additional information if needed you can give. Then at the end you are to write conclusion. Articles can be regarding anything. Articles can be regarding stories about any person life, rising issues, and technical regarding that. Articles can be. Points to keep in mind for writing article format. Article format, that should be, heading should be catchy. An article should be interesting. It should be easy to read, and the main goal should be that it should provide information. Now, how to begin? Paragraph wise, let's understand that. Para 1. In para 1, you may write any slogan. You can start writing para 1 by using some slogans, quotations, some amazing facts, statement, or you can give brief introduction. Suppose you have to write on pollution. So, introduction can be given, some amazing facts, figures you may mention. And second para, in second para, you may write the causes, effects, present state, and condition on which you are writing article about that. And in third para, you are to give the solution. If there is any problem you have raised in the article, you are to do the conclusion in para 3. One demo article has been shown here. See it. The heading is catchy. Cleanliness begins at home. Then in second line, writer name. In the first para, introduction has been given. Then explanation in the second para. And third, conclusion. In the last para, conclusion, solution has been given. Thank you everyone for watching this. Tomorrow you will be getting homework on articles. Thank you.